Today I'll teach you guys how we guys can hide your followers on Instagram. By hide I mean of course people are going to be able to see how many people follow you, like it's going to show you the number, but through this technique they are not going to see who the followers are, they can only see the numbers. So follow the step. First thing after you open Instagram, you want to click on your profile picture at the bottom right. Once you're on your Instagram profile, you want to click on the 3 line at the top right. Inside of the 3 line you want to go on setting, and when you're inside your setting of Instagram, the fourth option where it says privacy, click on it and make sure this option called the private account is on. When your private account mode is on, click on OK. When you turn on your private account mode, basically what is going to happen is only the people who follow you can just click on your followers list and see who follow you. If they don't follow you, then they won't be able to see the follower list, and in order for someone to follow you they need to send you a follow request, which basically means you can choose who can see your follower list. So convert your account into private and nobody will be able to see your follower list. That's how we guys can hide your followers on Instagram. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.